AVERAGEIFS function finds the average for the cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. In average range argument, select the cell references range of actual cells to be used to find the average. In criteria range 1 argument, select the range of cells that you want evaluated for the particular condition. In criteria 1 argument, set the condition or criteria in the form of a number, expression, or text that defines which cells will be used to find the average. In criteria range 2 argument, select the range of cells you want evaluated for the particular condition. In average range box, select this cell references range, press tab key. In criteria range 1 box, select this cell references range, press tab key. In criteria 1 box, click this cell or type text jacket. Press tab key. In criteria range 2 box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria 2 box, type the size of jacket. Type uppercase letter M. How this formula works? Function finds the average value of those cells that meet above criteria. First function looks up the value jacket in this cell references range. Then function looks up the value M or size of jacket M in this cell references range. If both criteria meets in both cell references range, then function calculates the average of its corresponding cells or corresponding cells values of these two cells in this cell. Click OK. It returns a $8.35 after calculating the average of these two cells. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click AVERAGEIFS function. In average range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria range 1 box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria 1 box, type text jacket or click this cell reference. Press tab key. In criteria range 2 box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria 2 box, type the size of jacket L or click this cell reference. Function calculates a average value from this range if both criteria meets. As you can see from this range, there is only one row meet that above criteria. This cell has text jacket and its corresponding size of jacket is L. And its corresponding value of this cell is $14. AVERAGEIFS function calculates the same average value in this cell. Click OK. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click AVERAGEIFS function. In average range box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria range 1 box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria 1 box, type text shoes or select this cell reference. Press Tab key. In criteria range 2 box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria 2 box, select this cell reference or type number 7. As both criteria meets and function calculates the average value of these two cells of its corresponding cells values in this cell references range and returns $6.68. Click OK. Function returns the average value of these two cells, $6.68. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click AVERAGEIFS function. In average range box, select this cell references range. If both criteria meets, then function calculates the average value from this range. Press Tab key. In criteria range 1 box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria 1 box, enter asterisk sign or multiplication operator. Type ET. Press Tab key. In criteria range 2 box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria 2 box, select the size of jacket XL or type the size of jacket XL. Click this cell reference. By using asterisk sign, function looks up the only values in this range that has characters ET at the end of text, and then its corresponding value is XL. As in these two rows, both criteria meets, then function calculates average values in this cell references range of these two cells corresponding cells and returns $12.76 in this cell. Click OK. Function returns $12.76 in this cell after calculating the average of these two cells, because both criteria meets in these two cells. In this way, you can use AVERAGEIFS function in an Excel worksheet.